Welcome back to Auto Evolution Hub. Today, we're diving into the most heart-stopping heavy equipment fails of 2025. Stay tuned till the end for tips on avoiding these disasters. Here's an excavator misjudging a steep embankment. Notice how the operator's angle of approach shifts the center of gravity. Classic rookie error. Pro tip, always scout the terrain first. Next, a heavy-duty truck launching off a dirt ramp at 50 miles per hour. Watch how the suspension compresses mid-flight and shocks shatter on landing. Always check your ramp angle and speed. This front loader dives into what seems like firm ground, but it's deep mud. Tracks spin uselessly, stranding the machine. Remember, low gear torque can dig you deeper. Here's a crane lifting beyond its rated capacity. Boom bends visibly. That metal creak is your warning sign. Always follow the load chart. On uneven terrains, this bulldozer tips when one track lifts. Counterweights help, but only when used correctly. This skid steer attempts a sharp turn on wet grass and flips over. ROPS save the operator, but avoid high-speed turns. Bonus, an articulated hauler carrying a full load tips on a curved slope. High center of gravity is the culprit. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe for more Auto Evolution Hub deep dives, and hit the bell to never miss an episode.